Virtual Lab is a 5-year-old startup that provides global service. In the first part of presentation, I would like to tell you why we start the business with these items. And I did not say success story of Virtual Lab. This is because Virtual Lab is still growing today. This is not only my story, but Virtual Lab stories. I would like to say we instead of I. All right, let's begin. We are doing simulation research in graduate school, and there was one thing I realized. It was true that not all researchers in simulation laboratory were IT experts. I thought everyone doing simulation research is an IT professional. However, the problem is we have to become familiar with the IT technology in order to do simulation research. In the case of